Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. This is your expert and today we got a little bit more stuff from EcoXgear. You know that I have made a lot of videos about them. They are very good with their products, completely waterproofed, and today I got my hands on a couple of the EcoRoam 100s. So these are Bluetooth boom boxes. They were kind of designed to look like the old-timey boom boxes that we used to use back in the day. This one have body lights, right? And as you guys can see clear in the picture, it has a resemblance of a boom box. Completely waterproof, right? And again, I have to compliment EcoXgear for the good work and the detail that they actually have on their boxes. So we're gonna start taking a look at the unit and we're gonna go ahead and turn them on so you can actually see how it looks like, what is inside the box. We're just gonna be basically making an unboxing of this particular unit. Alrighty, so let's start with the outside of the box. On the front, you guys have over here, rough and tough certified. It's a Bluetooth boombox with potty lights and it has their logo over here, EcoXgear. On the top is very similar, has the name of the unit and exactly what it is with their logo. This one's a big box, so I'm having a little bit of an issue just like fitting it into the frame. It's an IPX5. I will give you guys on the description of the video what exactly this means, but basically means it's waterproof and dustproof. So you guys don't have to worry. You guys can take it to the beach, to the lake, just throw it whatever in the water and will still be fine. Has a long-range Bluetooth, charges mobile devices as well, has a 15-hour playtime, 1-year warranty, and it's a 30 watts plus a large woofer. So this one, it's gonna be very, very loud, especially with the size that it has on the back of the box. You guys can see a little bit more description. It has a 4-inch 15-watt drivers, has a large subwoofer, and IPX5 waterproof. So that means that it basically, go ahead, throw it in the water, it's gonna be fine. Has body lights, Bluetooth, Aux In, and built-in SD card reader. So you don't even have to plug in your phone in order to listen to music. You can just aux it in or just have an SD card with some music and that will work as well. Has a 5-volt device charge output. So that means you can plug in things into the unit and charge your smartphone, your camera, whatever you guys want to do over there. If you get 2 of them, you can actually pair them together. I'll make another video about that, so just stay tuned. You guys will see it on the channel. And it has a large carrying handle. Again, we can see some friends over there in the beach with the unit, just having a good time. On this side of the box, it's paired 2 speakers together. So if you get 2 of these, you guys will be able to actually play the same music and it will be on stereo that way. So let's go ahead and start taking apart this big box. I see some stickers over here, so I'm just gonna cut through that real quick. Sorry for my hand on the video. And we got a large tab over here. All right, this is exciting, guys. All right, so we're just gonna go ahead and open one side and the other. I'm just gonna go ahead and lay it flat over here to take it out. So again, guys, the design of the boxes and everything on it, it's pretty good. I already have the user manual and some cables right here in front of me, plus the warranty card. They do also online warranty cards, so you guys don't have to actually worry about like warranting the product like in the good old days where you actually have to ship out the card. All right, and finally, here is the unit. Okay, empty box. I'm just gonna take that away and I'm gonna show you the big unit and the big boom box that the EcoRoam 100 is. On the box we have, I'm gonna show you guys, warranty card, just in case if you guys want to fill it up. You can also do this online. I'll give you a link on the description. The very important, the user manual, right? So you guys can know exactly what you can do, what you can expect from this unit. But I'm pretty sure that after this video, pretty much all the questions will be answered. Have the dimensions over here, right? So just in case to compare, this is like 15 inches with 10 inches tall and 5 inches deep. It's quite heavy. I would say like, I don't know, like maybe 4 pounds, maybe 5 pounds, something like that. Alrighty, let me just like refocus my camera over here real quick. All right, so you guys can actually see the full potential, the full glory of the EcoRoam. I have an aux cable, right? So remember, you can also use aux cable on this one. And the charging cord, this one it's a micro USB cable. Hope you guys can see it over there. So USB to micro USB, and let's take a quick look see at the unit. From what I can see over here, has a very sturdy grill. I really like the grills that they use, completely waterproofed, everything. Buttons on the front, 2 big speakers over here in the front as well. And on the back, where are the connections of this thing? All right, so you can clearly like clip this on to something. The back, maybe the box. I don't see anything over there, but should be able to actually just like clip it to something. In the back of the unit, we have the big woofer, and I don't know what this is exactly. I think it's the woofer, so just don't touch that. And over here, you should be able to actually have the connections for extra stuff, right? So you guys can actually see the micro USB slot over there, the micro USB connection, the Aux In, and the USB port in order to charge your stuff. Again, remember, if you're gonna use these connections, please make sure don't get any water right next to it. As soon as you actually close it up and real tight with the rubber over here, it will be waterproof again. So just remember, be careful. And guys, this is basically the EcoXgear EcoRoam 100. So I'm gonna turn it on and I'm gonna show you real quick basically how it looks like. All right, that means that probably is power on, looking to pair to something. I have the basic controls over here, power on, more or less volume, change songs, right? Answer your phone with the unit. You guys can actually see the colors over there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a phone real quick to pair it with this unit. And it will show up in your phone at EcoXgear. So, all right, that was the success. I pair it with a device over here, and I'm gonna go ahead and maybe open YouTube and just play a random, like I'm just gonna do a royalty-free music, so I don't get any issues with this, and I'm just gonna go ahead and play whatever. So as you guys can see over here, I can lower the volume with just a touch over there. And the music will actually go out with the color. The colors will go on with the music. There are like several. Can I change this? All right, the lights have different modes, so you can actually change it with the button over here that has the lights on it. Answer your phone, and you guys can actually see and hear the speaker a little bit. It's very, it's in the first like 1 or 2 levels of volume, plus it's very low in the cell phone as well. So you guys can actually see that this will be a good boombox for you to take to your, I don't know, if you guys want to tailgate, if you guys want to go to the river, if you guys want to camping, maybe you guys want to go to the beach and you need something that is not that big or is not that small, but pretty decent volume when you're having just a couple of drinks with your friends or whatever. So this one will be a perfect unit. I'll give you guys a link on the description of where you can buy it. And I will also include a discount code so you guys can actually get this one a little for a better price. Directly from EcoXgear. Remember that they are great, their customer service is great. If you have any issues whatsoever, don't hesitate, just give them a call, email, or chat, and they will be more than happy to help you. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions about the unit or how to do this or how to do that, just let me know in the comments. I'll be more than happy to answer to you guys, so you guys can see exactly what type of products they do. And if you guys want to know anything else, just let me know. I'll be more than happy to help you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Your support means everything to me, and I'll see you next week with another new video. Hope you have a great day, guys.